Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, I wanted to talk about the best places to go in case you need tech support with your radar detector. Now, the two best places to go in case you have any issues with your detector, number one, reach out to the manufacturer. They have entire teams of people paid, literally getting paid to sit around and just answer your questions and help you in case your detector malfunctions, your display fails, something's going wrong, whatever. Like literally teams of people just sitting there ready to help you out with this. Number two, the other place it's really good is the forums. Like, I mean, I'm there all the time. I know a lot of people are, and it's a great place in case you have any questions to talk to other radar detector enthusiasts, and they can help you with any sort of setup and configuration questions in case something's going wrong, you're not sure what to do. That's gonna be the best resource. And I personally much more prefer doing any sort of tech support questions discussions in a public area. I mean, it's the same reason why I like making YouTube videos. Instead of, if we have a question, we can discuss it maybe privately one-on-one, but let's say I've got 100 or 1,000 people all asking the same question. It's way more efficient to just do a video like this, take the time to create a video and answer it once really well for a lot of people, and then now everybody can benefit from that instead of answering the same questions over and over and over privately. And I would love to accomplish the same thing with any sort of tech support stuff. I don't have the time, quite frankly, or the desire to be tech support for hundreds and thousands of people for every radar detector and every manufacturer and all the dash cams and everything. Like, I don't have the time. I'm trying to focus on my tests and reviews and stuff, and my time is limited as it is. I mean, that's one of the reasons why I'm trying to get some videos done while out running errands or driving my daughter back from daycare or something, like limited amount of time. I'm trying to spend it focused on tests and reviews and videos and editing and like the basic core stuff that I really want to do, that I'm passionate about and that I want to create for you guys. So when it comes to tech support stuff, please don't ask me privately. Just let's make this information available publicly for everybody. That's going to be the quickest way to get the answers. It's the way that makes this information available for everybody. So the forums are going to be your go-to resource. I'll link to it in the video description. And then of course, just reaching out to the manufacturer. Some manufacturers are better than others when it comes to tech support and customer service stuff. I completely understand. And so that's one of the reasons, again, why I'm usually just redirecting people back to the forum. It's the best way for you guys, it's the best way for me, and it's the best way for the community at large if we could just keep this all centralized in a location where everybody can learn and grow together. I mean, chances are if you have a question, it may already be answered, and it's nice in case there's issues, we can keep all this stuff centralized. If a lot of people all start having the same issue, that's really helpful information to be aware of. So again, just keeping everything publicly available, I think is extremely beneficial. So if you have any questions, ask the manufacturer, ask on the forums. Don't message me privately. If I respond at all, I mean, I get so many, it's just overwhelming at this point. If I respond at all, it's just like, hey, head over there. Like, I really want you guys to get the answers. The last thing I want is to do all these reviews with radar detectors and stuff and be like, now that you bought one, congratulations. You have any issues? See ya. I'm not here to help you. Like, I've really tried to do that. It becomes so overwhelming. It's not good for my mental health, to be honest. Like, it's just too overwhelming to try and do that too. So like, I really want you guys to get the answers that you want. And so that's why I'm like, hey, best way to go is just, post on the forums. I'm there, I'm happy to help. A lot of other really knowledgeable and experienced enthusiasts are happy to help too. Manufacturers are there as well. So let's just do this in a way that's good for everybody, myself included, and you, and everybody at large. So let's just discuss this stuff publicly, and that's gonna be the best way to go. So thanks so much. If you have any questions, happy to help. Let's just do it that way. So publicly, not privately. Thanks so much. Hope you guys are doing awesome, and I'll see you in the next video.